Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about reusing the custom method in page object model using for IWebElement in a Selenium C sharp. Okay, how we can able to use it custom command. Okay, and previous if you see right, these are the custom commands we have used. Clicking and sending, and you can see selecting drop down values and selective by value, dynamic values, and action classes. These are the things we have used it, right? Now how we can able to use it for this particular functions like custom functions into our page object model location to reducing that. Okay, and also efficiently it will reduce from here as well. Okay, then how we can able to use it without changing here, and just we are changing for here. Okay, how means just I'm going to back to here. There's entering value, right? I'm going to take this one. Okay, because without impacting for other scripts, just I'm reusing here. Okay, I don't want to specify for this particular driver. Okay, and here by element and value. Okay, and this particular locator I'm going to specify locator dot clear and locator dot send keys. It's a IWebElement. Sorry, IWebElement. IWebElement locator. Okay, and here I'm going to specify dot clear. Okay, clear function. Previous we used for by, now we are using for IWebElement, and value is same. Okay, like this we can able to specify, and also click also we can able to similar format. Okay, you can change for similar format for all the locations. It will work as expected without any issue. Okay, and here IWebElement and copying this and specifying this. See, simplest way, right? Just we can reuse. And I'm copying this down one, which is IWebElement one. Okay, and going back to login page location. Okay, and here we need to reuse this concept for this all the places, right? And just I'm going to using for custom functions, and just I'm coming back to here dot enter value. Okay, there are two enter values, right? We can able to specify for IWebElement, or you can able to provide for anything. Okay, for this is my one, and also we can able to pass it as a username. Okay, this is a one custom function, and again I'm going to copying this one and specifying down, and in this location I'm going to pass for password field. Okay, now in this two I'm going to comment on this particular lines. Okay, and again custom function, and coming back and click functionality. Okay, and it is also it will ask you for web element. There are two click functions in a custom. Okay, one is uh, it will accept for driver and by locator, and for another one just locator it will accept. Okay, now we are not changed anything, we just consumed this one and we are able to place it, right? Now same thing again I'm going to run here. See, it got passed, right? Like this, we can able to reuse custom functions into a page object location. This way we can able to reduce the lines of code. Okay. I hope this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.